as busy as a cat,
very busy,
as greedy as wolf,
very greedy,
as green as grass.
very green. Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today's video is very exciting because I will tell you about some phrases with S. So without delay, let's start.
As busy as bee,
Very busy and active,
as black as coal,
completely black,
as black as peach,
very dark,
as easy as ABC,
very easy,
as easy as apple pie,
very easy,
as white as snow,
very white in color,
as brave as a lion,
very brave and courageous,
as fierce as a tiger,
very dangerous,
as good as a gold,
to be well behaved or obedient,
as blind as a bat,
completely blind,
as cool as a cucumber,
calm and not nervous,
as clear as a day,
very clear,
as dry as a dust,
extremely bright,
as gentle as a lamb,
very gentle,
as clear as a day,
very clear,
as free as wind,
very free,
as big as a bus,
very big,
as big as an elephant,
very big,
as light as a feather,
extremely light,
as busy as a cat,
very busy,
as greedy as wolf,
very greedy,
as green as grass.
very green. So that's all for today. Thanks for listening us. Goodbye.
Bye.